14 February ngeValentine.
Khona bakhala ngeValentine.
Yeah, ngeValentine.
Khona bazokhala. Hawe nkosi nale Valentine le enezayo.
Yabo.
Yarula noKhadoso kodwa sikho lapha.
Durban City. Durban City.
Okay, yeah.
TS Galaxy yabo.
Yes.
Iphela ngobani? Iphela ngo 2-1.
Showcase.
2 iDurban City, 1 iTS Galaxy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Shola ama-goal lapha for uLokhujana. Kwakusekhona uNokovic lapha.
Oyisekokode.
Yeah, kokode piano for TS 45 minutes. Yabhala iLokhujana kwabhala uKamatuka. Yeah. Yeah, 78 minutes. Kwalandela uNdlovu ngo 107 minutes extra time yeah uNdlovu weDurban City kwaba igoal lesibili yabhala 2-1 score then
phambili
yeah
Durban City
15 February enye igame iMarumo Gallants
Showcase
yeah bhekene namaZulu lawo atazwane bamthela induku ngo 1-0 kushuthi clean sheet yeLokhujana eMarumo yeah igoli libhalwa ubani libhalwa uZindoka yeah 18 minutes clean sheet for iMarumo
Gallants